What if I told you that the darkest corner of your home could become the coziest place to escape into a good book? Most people think houseplants need bright, sunny windows to survive. That's why reading nooks tucked away in corners often feel empty and lifeless. But here's the secret. Some plants actually thrive in low-light spaces and can completely transform a simple chair and bookshelf into a calming green sanctuary. Imagine turning pages surrounded by lush leaves, soft lighting, and a peaceful atmosphere that helps you relax after a long day. These low-light champions require very little care, tolerate dim conditions, and instantly make any reading space feel warmer and more inviting. Whether you have a tiny apartment corner, a bedroom reading chair, or a windowless nook under the stairs, these plants can bring nature indoors without demanding constant attention. Today, we're counting down the 7 best low-light houseplants that will turn your reading corner into a cozy retreat you'll never want to leave. Number 1. Snake plant. The snake plant is one of the easiest and most stylish plants you can add to a reading nook. Its tall, upright leaves resemble modern green sculptures, instantly making any corner look more sophisticated. One of the reasons this plant is so popular is its incredible ability to survive in low-light conditions. While it grows faster in bright indirect light, it can happily live in dim corners where many other plants struggle. Another reason readers love snake plants is their low-maintenance nature. They store water inside their thick leaves, meaning they don't need frequent watering. In fact, overwatering is one of the few things that can harm them. This makes them ideal for busy people who simply want beautiful greenery without extra work. A snake plant also creates a calming visual effect. Its vertical leaves naturally draw the eyes upward, making small spaces feel taller and more open. Place one beside your favorite armchair, next to a bookshelf, or near a floor lamp. Its elegant form and deep green colors can instantly transform a plain reading corner into a cozy, peaceful retreat. Number 2. ZZ plant. If there were an award for the toughest houseplant, the ZZ plant would be a serious contender. This remarkable plant seems almost designed for dark corners and forgetful plant owners. It thrives in low-light conditions and can go for weeks without water thanks to its underground rhizomes that store moisture like natural reservoirs. The ZZ plant's glossy emerald leaves are its biggest attraction. They catch and reflect whatever light is available, making a dim reading nook feel brighter and more vibrant. The leaves remain attractive all year long and require very little maintenance to stay healthy. This plant also has a naturally elegant shape. Its stems arch gracefully upward, creating a lush appearance without becoming overwhelming. It fits beautifully beside a reading chair or near a stack of books and instantly adds a sense of life and tranquility to the space. Imagine sitting in your favorite chair on a rainy evening with a warm drink and your favorite novel, while the shiny green leaves of a ZZ plant softly reflect the glow of your reading lamp. It creates a peaceful atmosphere that encourages relaxation and makes your reading sessions feel even more special. Number 3. Pothos. Pothos is often called one of the most forgiving houseplants in the world. And for good reason. It can thrive in low-light conditions and continues growing even when neglected occasionally. This resilience makes it perfect for cozy reading nooks where you want greenery without complicated care routines. The beauty of pothos lies in its trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves. As the plant grows, its vines cascade down shelves, drape over bookcases, and soften hard furniture lines. This creates a relaxing, natural atmosphere that feels almost like stepping into a secret garden. Pothos comes in several varieties, from deep green leaves to stunning variegated patterns featuring gold and cream colors. These beautiful leaves add texture and movement to a reading space without taking up much room. Another advantage is flexibility. You can place it on a shelf, hang it in a basket, or let it climb a support pole. Wherever you position it, Pothos has an incredible ability to make a room feel warm and inviting. For readers who dream of escaping into books surrounded by nature, few plants create a cozier atmosphere than a healthy. Trailing Pothos. Number 4. Peace lily. The peace lily brings elegance and serenity to any reading corner. With its glossy dark green leaves and graceful white flowers, it has a timeless beauty that instantly elevates a room. Even when not blooming, its lush foliage provides a refreshing sense of calm and sophistication. Unlike many flowering plants, peace lilies tolerate low-light conditions surprisingly well. They prefer indirect light and often thrive in the gentle illumination found in cozy reading nooks. They also communicate clearly when thirsty by drooping slightly, making them easy to care for even if you're new to houseplants. The large leaves create a soft, tropical feeling that pairs beautifully with bookshelves, soft blankets, and warm lighting. Adding a peace lily beside your reading chair can transform the area into a tranquil escape from everyday stress. There's something incredibly relaxing about reading while surrounded by green foliage and occasional white blooms. The combination creates an atmosphere of peace and quiet that perfectly complements an evening spent with your favorite novel. If your goal is to create a reading nook that feels like a personal sanctuary, the peace lily deserves a place on your list. Number 5. Cast iron plant. The cast iron plant has earned its legendary name because it can tolerate conditions that would challenge most other houseplants. It survives low light, occasional neglect, and irregular watering while continuing to look beautiful and healthy. This incredible resilience makes it perfect for dim reading corners. Its long, arching green leaves create a rich and lush appearance. Unlike plants that demand attention and constant care, the cast iron plant simply sits quietly, adding natural beauty to your home with very little effort. This plant works particularly well in traditional reading spaces. Imagine a comfortable armchair, a wooden bookshelf filled with novels, a soft blanket, and the deep green foliage of a cast iron plant nearby. The combination creates a warm and inviting atmosphere that encourages relaxation. Because it grows slowly and maintains its shape well, it won't quickly outgrow your reading nook. Instead, it becomes a dependable part of the space, gradually contributing to a calming environment where you can unwind and enjoy your favorite books. For anyone seeking greenery that practically takes care of itself, the cast iron plant is an outstanding choice. Number 6. Chinese evergreen. Chinese evergreen plants are loved for their incredible foliage and remarkable adaptability. Their leaves often feature beautiful combinations of green, silver, cream, and even hints of pink. These unique patterns instantly add visual interest and make dim reading corners feel brighter and more cheerful. One of their greatest strengths is their ability to tolerate low-light environments. While many colorful plants require bright sunlight, Chinese evergreens remain attractive and healthy in spaces with limited natural light. This makes them ideal companions for cozy reading nooks tucked away from windows. These plants also require relatively little maintenance. They appreciate occasional watering and gentle care, but are generally forgiving and easy to grow. Their slow growth means they remain manageable and won't quickly outgrow small spaces. The broad, decorative leaves soften the appearance of furniture and add a tropical touch that makes any reading corner feel more inviting. Combined with warm lighting and comfortable seating, a Chinese evergreen creates an atmosphere that encourages relaxation and quiet reflection. It's the kind of plant that effortlessly turns an ordinary corner into a peaceful escape filled with beauty and calm. Number 7. Heartleaf Philodendron. The Heartleaf Philodendron is one of the most charming plants for creating a cozy reading retreat. Its trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves bring softness and movement to a room, making the entire space feel more welcoming and relaxed. This plant adapts beautifully to low-light conditions and remains attractive even when given minimal care. Its vines can trail from shelves, climb supports, or drape around books and decorations. The cascading greenery creates a comforting sense of enclosure that makes a reading nook feel personal and intimate. Another reason people adore this plant is its lush, rich green color. The leaves seem to absorb the warm glow of reading lamps, creating an atmosphere that feels calm and peaceful. Whether you're reading a mystery novel, enjoying poetry, or simply relaxing with a cup of tea, the presence of a Heartleaf Philodendron enhances the entire experience. As the vines continue growing, they create an increasingly magical environment that resembles a tiny indoor garden. Few plants can transform a simple chair and bookshelf into a dreamy reading sanctuary quite like the Heartleaf Philodendron. Creating the perfect reading nook isn't about having a huge room or expensive furniture. It's about designing a space that feels comforting, peaceful, and alive. The right houseplants can completely transform even the darkest corner into a relaxing retreat filled with warmth and beauty. Whether you love the architectural look of a snake plant, the glossy elegance of a ZZ plant, or the cascading vines of a Heartleaf Philodendron, each of these low-light champions brings its own special charm. They require minimal care, thrive in dim conditions, and make every reading session feel like a little escape into nature. So choose your favorite plant. Grab a cozy blanket, switch on your reading lamp, and let these beautiful green companions turn your reading nook into the ultimate sanctuary for books, relaxation, and quiet moments of happiness.